Hello everyone. Welcome to Big Progress Channel. I'm Hana.
And I'm Lam. Hello, everyone.
We're so happy to have you here today. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Big Progress Channel, and leave a comment below. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please. Tell us how you feel today in the comments. Okay, Hana, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is very important and very human. Feelings. We all have feelings. Happy, sad, tired, excited, scared, all of them.
Oh, yes. I have many feelings every day. Sometimes happy, sometimes sleepy, sometimes hungry.
Hungry is also a feeling for you, huh?
For me, yes. Food makes me happy.
Let's start with the question. Why is it important to talk about our feelings?
Maybe because it helps people understand us?
Exactly, Lam. When we share how we feel, people know what's going on inside us. It helps us connect and build better relationships.
Yeah, like if I tell my friend, I feel sad today, maybe my friend can help me.
That's right. When you talk about your feelings, it's good for your mind and your heart. It's not healthy to keep everything inside.
I agree. Sometimes I feel better after I talk about my feelings.
That's wonderful. So today, we will learn how to talk about feelings in English. Ready?
Let's go. Big progress time.
Okay, let's start with some simple and useful words. First one, happy.
Happy. Easy. When I smile, I'm happy.
Yes. For example, I feel happy when I listen to music.
I feel happy when I eat pizza.
Good one. Next, sad.
Sad means not happy. I feel sad when it rains all day.
Perfect. Then we have angry.
I feel angry when my computer doesn't work.
I know that feeling. Next, tired.
Easy. I feel tired after work. Or I am tired.
Great! You used both. We can say, I feel tired, or I am tired. Both are correct.
Nice. Next.
Excited. This means you are very happy because something good is coming.
I feel excited before my birthday.
Yay! Another one, scared.
I feel scared when I watch a horror movie.
Me too. And the last one for this group, nervous.
Like when I have a test?
Yes. I feel nervous before a big test. Good job, Lam.
Hana, sometimes people say, I feel happy, and sometimes I am happy. What's the difference?
Good question. Both are okay. I feel happy talks about your current emotion. I am happy is the same meaning, maybe a little simpler.
So I can say both, I am tired and I feel tired.
Exactly. Don't worry too much about the difference. Just use one. Now, let's learn some more words for different feelings. These are a little harder, but very useful.
Okay, I'm ready.
Frustrated. This means you try to do something, but it's difficult.
I feel frustrated when the internet is slow.
Good example. Next, overwhelmed. This means you have too much to do.
I feel overwhelmed with homework. Oh, yes, that's me every week.
I know. Next, proud.
Proud. I feel proud when I speak English well.
That's so nice. We're all proud of you, Lamb. Another word, lonely.
I feel lonely when I have no one to talk to.
Aw, that's okay. Everyone feels lonely sometimes. Next, confident.
Confident. I feel confident when I practice speaking.
Wonderful. And the last one, disappointed.
That means sad because something bad happened?
Exactly. I feel disappointed when my favorite team loses.
Same here. Go team next time.
Now let's talk about how strong a feeling is. You can say a bit, very, or really.
Like, I'm a bit tired, or I'm very tired.
Perfect. Here are some examples. I'm a bit sad. 2. I'm very sad. 2. I'm extremely sad.
Oh, like levels of sadness.
Yes, it's like a scale. Try this. I'm a little nervous, but very excited.
That's me before recording this podcast.
Time for some fun idioms about feelings.
Yay! I love idioms.
First, I'm on cloud 9. It means I'm very, very happy.
I'm on cloud 9 because I passed my test.
Great! Next, I'm feeling under the weather. It means I feel a bit sick.
I can't go out today. I'm feeling under the weather.
Good. Another one, walking on eggshells.
That sounds funny. What does it mean?
It means you are very careful not to make someone angry.
I'm walking on eggshells around my boss.
Careful, Lamb. And one more, it broke my heart. It means something made you very sad.
My favorite show ended. It broke my heart.
Now, let's learn how to ask others about their feelings. It shows that you care.
The basic one is, how are you?
Yes, but sometimes people just say, I'm fine. So we can ask more kindly. How are you really feeling?
Oh, that sounds nice. I can also say, do you want to talk about it?
Perfect. Or, is something on your mind?
I like that. It means, are you worried about something?
Exactly. These are gentle ways to ask. When someone tells you how they feel, it's important to answer kindly. That's called empathy.
Oh, like understanding their feelings.
Yes. Here are some phrases you can use. That must be really hard. I understand how you feel. I'm here for you. Thanks for sharing that with me.
I like, I'm here for you. It sounds very kind and friendly.
It really is. When we use these words, we make people feel safe and supported. Let's try a few short examples.
Okay.
You had a long, hard day at work. What can you say?
I'm tired and a bit frustrated today.
Good. Next, you are going on vacation tomorrow.
I'm so excited. I can't wait.
Perfect. Now, your favorite team lost the game.
I'm very disappointed. It broke my heart.
Same here. And when you are doing well in English class.
I feel proud of myself.
Sometimes we feel stress at work or school. It's okay to talk about it.
Yes, what can I say?
You can say, I'm feeling a bit burned out. It means you are very tired from too much work.
Oh, like a candle that's finished burning.
Exactly. Or, I need a mental. Exactly. Or, I need a mental break. That means you need a short rest to relax your mind.
That's useful. I'll remember that. In some cultures, people don't talk about feelings much. They keep it inside.
Yes, that's true. Some people think it's weak to show feelings.
But in English-speaking cultures, it's often good to share feelings. It shows honesty and builds trust. I see. So when I speak English, I'm also learning how to express myself.
Exactly. It's part of the journey. Don't be shy. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Here are 2 easy tips to practice talking about feelings. First, keep a feelings journal. Write every day. Today I feel happy because, or today I feel tired because.
That's a good idea. I can practice writing and feelings at the same time.
Second, describe your day using emotional words. For example, my day was stressful in the morning, but I felt proud in the afternoon.
Ooh, that sounds more natural than just, my day was good.
Exactly. Use emotion words to make your English more colorful. Okay, Lam, let's review. What feelings did we learn today?
Let's see. Happy, sad, angry, tired, excited, scared, nervous, and also frustrated, overwhelmed, proud, lonely, confident, disappointed.
Wow, that's a lot. We also learned how to say I feel and I am, and some idioms like on cloud 9, under the weather, broke my heart.
And how to ask, how are you really feeling? And answer with empathy like, I'm here for you.
Perfect summary. You did amazing today, Lam.
Thank you, Hana. I feel happy and proud right now. Me too. And we hope you, our listeners, also feel proud of your English today.
Yes, you are all doing great. Don't forget to subscribe to Big Progress channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Tell us, how are you feeling today? We love reading your comments.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time on Big Progress channel.
Bye-bye.